Hey guys, after a massive lunch, I'm here at the Autophix testing station and we've got a big, awesome U-Butte Audi coming in. So the guys are going to test the vehicle now. All the scanners are tested to make sure that all the special functions work, all the OBD2 functions work. It's all done here at the Autophix test centre. It's modern, got a great hoist. It's away from the actual production facility, which is around the corner, but this is the testing station for Autophix. I'm really pleased for the Australian market that I'm backed up by such a great company here, that they're testing everything. And the reason we give you a lifetime replacement warranty is because the trust that I have in the product. So here we are in China, amazing China, and Alina, my account manager here in China, she's holding the camera and I'm doing my usual talking rubbish. So we've got the big Audi coming in here, and I've got one of the Audi scanners. This beautiful car here, luxury all the way. We trust a very valuable car like this in the hands of an Autophix scanner. When it gets an engine light or a limp mode, this is the scanner that we'll use to make sure that we can see what's actually wrong with the vehicle. Same for us guys in Australia. When you're towing your caravan, your camper, you're travelling remote areas, an OBD2 scanner should be part of your recovery emergency gear, because you just never know when you're going to get an engine light or a limp mode, and the ability to look up and go, oh, it's a blocked air filter, it's a O2 sensor. Hundreds of people each year end up on a tow truck because they just didn't know what was wrong with their vehicle. Having an OBD2 scanner as part of your recovery gear allows you to see what's going on with your vehicle. It's a doctor for your car, a very important part of your recovery gear. So I'm at Autophix headquarters here in China, going through all the quality controls, making sure that I can back up to you, giving you a lifetime replacement warranty, lifetime software upgrades and phone support. I'm Trev from Autophix Australia, right here at the home of Autophix in China.